Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save and resend audio message in Telegram on iPhone. Subscribe to Guide Mentory and let's go. Now let me reply to this audio message so that I can show you one more feature. Now tap and hold on any voice message in your chat and tap on select. Select any amount of messages and tap on this share icon at the bottom panel. And now save to files. Make sure you remember the file location. Let me store it on my phone. Let's say in downloads. Tap on save. Now you can send your voice messages as a files. Tap on the paperclip icon, allow access. Now let's tap on file, select from files. Let's browse, go to downloads on my phone and send this file and this one too. Open. Now the files are sent. Let's try to play. It's enabled to play by default. Let me show you how to send playable version. So let's minimize or close Telegram and files and let's go to web browser, and you need this very website which is named cloudconvert.com. Tap on select file from my computer. Choose files. Once again, browse for your file. Downloads on my phone. Let's upload these two files. Open. And select the format. Convert OGG to audio to MP3. Now tap on convert. Processing. Download your files. Download second file. Now let's go to find our files. Browse on my phone. 4 items still. It seems it was saved to downloads on iCloud. Now let's go to iCloud Drive. To downloads. Yes, our files are here. So you can tap and hold on these files. Hit share. Now find Telegram in this bar. Share to somebody. Send. Let's open Telegram, open chat, and now we have the MP3 audio which is playable on all devices.
Telegram audio on iPhone.
Also you can tap on this paperclip and send file, select from files. You need to make sure where your phone automatically save your downloads. So in my case, this is downloads folder on iCloud. So I need to go to iCloud, find my files I wish to send, select one or more, open, and that's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.